idea of fun includes dirt, dust, and going way off the map, Ducati's got something special for you. The 2026 DesertX Rally isn't just a rugged adventure bike. It's a purpose-built machine for riders who like to test their limits. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we dig into the newest bikes and break down what really matters on and off the road. Design. Right away, the DesertX Rally makes a bold impression. It keeps that Dakar-inspired silhouette, but Ducati's gone all in with the rally-ready look. High-mounted fenders, a tall windscreen, handguards, and a new skid plate screen capability. The long travel suspension and spoked wheels are built to take a beating, and look great doing it. It's rugged, tall, and purposeful from every angle. Performance. Powering the Rally is Ducati's proven 937 cubic centimetre Testastretta V-twin, delivering smooth, controllable torque with plenty of punch when you need it. It's tuned for traction and confidence, whether you're blasting through sand or climbing rocky trails. The fully adjustable KYB suspension gives you serious travel and control, while the lightweight frame keeps it surprisingly agile for its size. Features and technology. This isn't just brawn, there's brains too. The 2026 DesertX Rally comes equipped with a full-colour TFT display, multiple ride modes, off-road ABS, traction control, and a quick shifter. Ducati even added enhanced cooling and rally-spec components to handle extreme conditions. It's packed with tech but still feels raw and ready to ride. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 DesertX Rally worth the hype? If you're chasing the adventure, this bike is ready to lead the way. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the review, give it a like, share it with your fellow explorers, and hit that subscribe button for more honest, down-to-earth reviews here on Next Gen Reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best roads aren't always paved. See you next time.